The deadly wildfires in Southern California have already destroyed more than 1,000 structures, and they continue to burn, many putting themselves in danger, harm's way, because insurance changes in the state have left them unsure if they can rebuild. Take a listen to this woman who was trying desperately to save her 90-year-old parents' home.
I know I'm not supposed to be here, but this is my parents' home. These insurance people decided to cancel their fire. And we're going through this, and it just happened, and they have no fire insurance.
Joining us now is Karl Susman. He's an insurance broker whose agency covers areas affected by fires like the Palisades, Brentwood, and the Hollywood Hills. Thank you so much for joining us, Karl. Just to start out, how are you and your family holding up with the fires?
Well, it's definitely a challenge. We're evacuated as well. I go by the adage, don't be brave. So the minute I saw the fire, I wasn't waiting for evacuation orders. I said, we're going. So we're doing all right. The most important thing is family and our loved ones. And we do have everyone together, and we're safe, and we're hoping for our home. But at this point, you know, these are the cards that we're dealt, and we're just dealing with it the best that we can.
Yeah, that's all anybody can do at this point. What claims have you filed so far from these fires?
We have had over 60 total losses to date for our clients, and that is definitely a record, and they're still coming in. We have a lot of people that are in Palisades that don't know the status of their homes, and unfortunately, from everything that I'm seeing and everything that I'm reading, it does not look promising at all. So we've been up and around the clock for the last 2 days, helping clients, getting claims started, and helping them find out where they need to be, where they need to go, things they need to do in the claims process. Obviously, a lot of homes are with the California Fair Plan in that part of town, so we're helping people get through that process as well.
And we've reported in the past on some major insurance companies who in recent years have backed away from insuring certain areas like the Palisades, in part because of the fire risks there. What have people living in these areas had to do in order to protect themselves without those insurance options?
Well, it's been about a year since State Farm non-renewed of probably 70% of their clients that are in the Palisades. That was actually their #2 area for the most non-renewals in the entire state. So apparently they saw something that was that a lot of carriers didn't necessarily see coming. Those people had to obtain coverage elsewhere. So some of them obtained coverage through other private insurance companies. Some of them obtained coverage through the California Fair Plan. If they're with the Fair Plan, now they have the backing of the Fair Plan and Fair Plan's reinsurance and Fair Plan's bonds. And on top of that, the Fair Plan has the ability to assess all of the admitted insurance companies in California if they need more money. So people that are with Fair Plan now, I think, are in a much better position to collect for their damages than they would have if they were still with State Farm.
Interesting. For anyone who needs to file claims or needs any other advice about dealing with insurance after these fires, what advice can you pass along?
I think the best thing to keep in mind is first to take a deep breath. It's horrible. There's no question about it. But you have insurance, and this is what it's for. This is the proving grounds, right? So file your claims sooner than later. It's first come, first serve. And as you can imagine, the carriers are busy and all the organizations are busy. So even if you're not 100% sure what the level of damage is or might be, you can file that claim. And if it turns out you don't need it, what a great problem that would be, right? You can still turn around and say, we don't need anything, and move on from there. But don't wait to file your claim. Do it sooner than later so you can get assigned an adjuster and you can start the process.
Some helpful advice there. Karl Susman, we thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.